Morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are moving out of the apartment we've lived in for 3 years, and we're taking you along with us. It's currently, let's see what time it is. It's currently 8:30 and we've got stuff all over the place. We have a U-Haul downstairs, which conveniently we live right behind an auto repair shop that sells U-Hauls. I barely got any sleep last night, so this is going to be a real struggle. Here is the current state of affairs. Update, it's 10:54 or 11:50, and we've just packed the U-Haul. Feeling energized though. Finished product, quick walkthrough. We got to get out of here. Roll tape.
That's in your vlog. That was recorded.
What?
You said you can't see shit. That's in your vlog.
Well, we're driving the U-Haul to the apartment, and I'm a great driver. Probably hard to hear, but we're done unloading. Got Gary's dad helping us out. Gary and I'm mostly just watching the truck. So I'm a lucky lady. But we're on our way. Not too bad. Hey, we are almost done. We've got 2 hours left to get the truck back. We've just got a couple of bits and bobs left. And then it's time to finally eat something. And I need more coffee, for sure. I'm gonna be freaking exhausted. And then we have to go back to the apartment and clean. And then I have to go to my house and drop some stuff off that's in my car. And then pack my car because tomorrow I'm giving my friend some more stuff. 2 bookshelves and a what's it called, desk, and then a little really cute little like nightstand type thing. So that's the plan. I'm physically exhausted because I'm like insanely out of shape, but that's okay. And I keep looking at the wrong part of the camera, so I'll have to get used to that. Hey. Update. We're driving to Goodwill right now. We've got some stuff back here. And after we drop that stuff off, we have to go to my parents' house to drop off some bins. Then we have to go back to the apartment again to do what? to put some stuff, the stuff I'm giving my friend,
Thank you.
in the car to give tomorrow morning. Wow.
Kia.
I'm exhausted. How about you?
My back hurts.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a machine.
Oops.
What are you doing?
Yeah, basically, I mean, I definitely did some work, but Gary did most of the stuff.
As you do.
Hey, everything's gone! Ah! Hi. So, I am now back at my parents' house. Very long day. I don't know if I mentioned, but I really didn't get any sleep last night. Couple of hours. I've been having a lot of trouble sleeping just because so much is going on and preparing for this trip, and just all the emotions and everything. It's just, I think it's reasonable to just be very scattered and things like that. I begun to feel kind of the negatives of what I'm doing. Leaving everybody and leaving the comfortable, beautiful life that I have is quite a big deal, and it's very sad. Okay, so the problem with this hair, like, I actually love it now, but it doesn't stay back. So that really frustrates me sometimes. But anyways, yeah, the move went well, but it was very tiring, and I'm going to just relax now. I don't really know if I'll be able to sleep. I have a feeling that I won't be able to again, but I'm just gonna watch some relaxing ASMR videos, do a little bit more planning probably, listen to some podcasts, whatever. All the sort of stuff that I do to relax that you've probably seen in other videos. So I'm just sitting here by my Himalayan salt lamp with my Molly, and yeah, me and my parents did some talking because there is a bon voyage party that my aunt offered to have at her house, and so we'll be having a bon voyage party, farewell party for me, and me and my parents were just figuring out food aspect of it. I've never really been that involved in planning a party, and so I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm pretty excited about what we have decided on. I'm not going to share what it is because I might put this video out before the party, but I'm super excited. It's going to be amazing to see a lot of the people I love in the same room, and it'll probably be very overwhelming, but we're on our way. There's not many more things left to be done, so a couple things left to purchase some more Airbnb tickets, and tomorrow I'll be taking you along as I sell my car. selling my car, and this, like, I've thrown out almost everything I own already. Not had almost any feeling whatsoever. Besides the feeling of, like, my mom might kill me if she finds out I threw this out. That's the only feeling I've had. But selling my car, really anxious about it. Because, I don't know, it's just sad to give up my car. I've had it for 10 years. And I've had it since I was 18 years old. 2008 Chevy Cobalt. And just a lot of things have happened in that car. I've spent a lot of time with a lot of great people. Drove back and forth to college many times. Drove down to visit one of my closest friends in Indiana. Gone on adventures. You know, if I was frustrated, I would go and take my car and drive somewhere and cry, or drive somewhere and, you know, drink. I mean, not drink in the car. Sounds really bad, but, you know, I don't know, drive to a bar or drive to a friend's house, or just drive and sit and stare at a new location. And I love having that freedom, and just knowing I won't have that for the next 2 weeks is a little anxiety producing. But it's all in pursuit of my dream, so it's all worth it. So yeah, it's been quite an emotional day, feeling and physically exhausting as well. Feeling quite drained. And I think, I mean, not, of course, obviously it's because of a big thing that's happening, but it's also physical exhaustion. So, yeah, I'm really happy that I did my yoga with Adrian video. I probably haven't told you, I'm doing Yoga with Adrian is a YouTube channel, and she does yoga videos every Sunday for free. And every January for the last several years, she's done 30-day yoga challenge, and I've taken part in the last 2 years of it. And it's do a yoga video every day for the month of January, and there will be a theme, and each day will have a different kind of like word to focus on. And today I'm really happy that I still went and did my yoga, because I'm tired, as I've said like 100 times. Sorry, it sounds like I'm complaining. Anywho, I'll go, but tomorrow is a big day for me. I don't know, it feels like the biggest step that I've taken. And it's crazy. So I will see you tomorrow. Good night. Got a visitor. Hey, this is the worst lighting, but here we are at CarMax, and it's about to get time to get rid of this puppy. I did some crying actually on the way over, because I don't know, you know, just all the memories. I've already talked about it with the car, so crazy. My mom should be meeting me here in an hour, so I'll be waiting around. I still have to get the actual appraisal again because I had gotten it before, but the offer expired because you only get a week to accept it. So I'll get it again. Hopefully it's like the same amount and I don't get screwed over. But that's it. So it's time to say goodbye to my car. And this feels like the most concrete step, and I'm kind of starting to freak out a little bit. I mean, you know, still very happy. And I know it's the right choice, but obviously these steps are pretty scary. So. Let's see. Yeah, it's a pretty good wing. Good morning. It's Sunday. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's Saturday. And we're on our way to get special bras for me. For large women. At Tina's Closet in Lyle. If you are a large woman in the Chicagoland area, go there. Trust me, you won't regret it.
But it's not just for large women, it's for if you want to get a fitted bra, and they do a good job. And the bras last a long time.
That is true. What are you getting?
We're at Starbucks, absolutely nothing.
Damn it, I missed both things. Ooh. Okay, what was that? What are you getting?
Nothing, we're at Starbucks.
And?
Was that yours?
No.
And what? It's Starbucks, I don't drink coffee. I'm not paying $3.05 for a cup of coffee if I did drink it. That's crazy talk. What happened to the 99-cent cup of coffee? Just go to McDonald's and get 99-cent cup of coffee.
updated you in a while. It is now 7 p.m. So we went to Tina's Closet to get bras in Lisle, Illinois, and it is absolute necessity if you have a large chest like me. I mean, they also sell bras for like normal people, but if you are like me, you cannot live without these bras. Like, you need to go right now. And we had a really nice chat with Tina and Patty, who are working. Tina is the owner, and then Patty works there. And we had a really nice chat with them. I told them what I was doing and how I can't live without her bras, and we talked about essential oils and natural medicine, and about her coming traveling with me, which she should definitely do. Tina, if you're watching, you should definitely meet me up in Europe. But seriously, Tina's Closet, like, I cannot live without it. Thank you so much for your help, because I honestly don't know how I would live, because it fits like a glove, and she looks at you and knows exactly what you need, and it's incredible. I've been going for like 10-15 years to that place, and I don't know what I'll do without it. So if I do like leave the country for a longer period of time, I don't know how I'm gonna survive. But I mean, I will be back, and the bras last for years, so it'll be fine. Yeah, so that's what we did. I've just been hanging out, figuring out banking stuff, and looking at packable day packs to bring with me, laptops. I have a couple things left to purchase, and that is a laptop and the packable day pack, and I think that that's all that I need. And like, I'm completely packed. I'm going to be filming a what I pack in a day video, which I'm really excited to film, because it's something that I watched like through the last year. I've been watching a crap ton of those videos, like what I pack is carry-on only, whatever, that kind of video. So I'm really excited to film one. It's just fun to be doing kind of the things that travel bloggers do. I don't know, it's just fun to kind of be a part of the community and do the things I've seen done many times before. It's just exciting. So, my dad has just ordered pizza, so we're gonna eat a pizza and probably watch some movies, and then I will probably watch some YouTube and go to bed, do some reading, do my Duolingo app to learn German, which I've been trying to work on. I feel like in Portugal and Italy, I can get by pretty well with Spanish because the languages are similar. German is not as similar, so I'm gonna learn that because I'm trying to learn, like, you know, little bits and pieces of it to get by when I'm in Austria. I mean, I do know that most people speak English in Europe. I mean, in general, all the places I was at, I didn't have any trouble using English and then kind of just getting by with the rest of it, which is just very convenient for me. And we're very lucky to have that privilege as English speakers. So yeah, I'm rambling now. I think that's it. It was a really nice day hanging out with my mom, and I will show you the pizza, and you'll be seeing it in a few seconds. I'll be seeing it in like 30 minutes. Hey guys, it is the end of the night now, and I just hung out with my parents and ate some pizza. Anywho, it is off to bed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.